Outdoor Kitchen, Episode 1. Alright guys, we're going to give you a quick tour of the kitchen and the progress we've been making. Alright, here's the kitchen. Here's my brother Carlos. Everyone say what's up. Say what's up. So he's been the one mainly doing the kitchen, but we'll start over here. We're going to be putting the ice machine here. The fridge here. We're putting the ice machine here. We're doing concrete counters. And then what are we putting here, Carlos?
We'll have the sink here, a single sink, 9-inch base, deep, and then we'll have the access door here, double doors.
Nice. And then this right here, we got 3 drawers, all stainless. And then right here, we're going to be putting what kind of burner is it, the one?
It's going to be a 16-inch burner right there.
Oh, the burner's going to go here. That's right. And this is going to be the countertop. The 36-inch Blackstone is going to go there. 2 doors, concrete countertop, and then a little door here for the trash. And that's pretty much it. We're going to put some wood in the back, and then probably some hanging shelves, some more lighting, and we'll probably just hit it up with some varnish and go ahead and finish off the wood, give it like a natural look. But here's another look from far away. And on the outside here, we're going to be doing like a little bit of stone, wrapping it up to here. And on the other side, the same thing as well. But yeah, these are the lights I've been using, and they've been okay. But we're going with, what is it, Carlos? 18,000?
18,000 lumens, yeah.
Woo!
2 feet by 1 foot.
So we're going to be probably going to be putting 3 of those, one here, another one there, and then another one there. Just really bright lighting. Here's a few pictures of the sketch drawing before we got started, as we started building all the framing, the freezer, the fridge, the Blackstone, you name it. Got a ton of pictures to show you guys, and this is kind of in progression to how it's looking, and this is over the course of like 2 days or so. All right guys, that was the first update. I'll keep you guys updated on the next one, and yeah, see you guys on the next video.